Welcome to April in Alaska. April 8th, 2011. Look at the snow. Unbelievable. I don't think you can see it like that. I mean, unbelievable. And we thought it was going to be an easy breakup. There's Mountain High, there's the river guides there. House of 7 trees. There we go. Look at all those big trees. Look at all those. Look at those lakes. Good Lord. Fairview. Oh, your requisite dog on Main Street, of course. I might just take a quick walk. It's super slick, so my God, I fell already once today. It's Wildflower Cafe. Yep. Spring in Alaska.